Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Vindoz online screen recorder. Right, so what you want to do, just simply head over to vidnoz.com and you can find a link to this website within the description of this video. And once you're here, head over to resources from the navigation, and here under free online tools you will see the screen recorder. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be taken to this page here. It's a free online screen recorder, so you don't have to pay for anything and it's absolutely free to use. Now once you're there, you can either go through and read to learn more about the screen recorder, or you can just simply go ahead and click on record now. Now once you do that, you will be asked to create an account if you're not yet have an account. But in my case, I have a Vindoz account and it takes me right here. Right now, here on the left hand side, guys, you will find quite a lot. You will see like your library, you see your account, you can see what you have there, you can find your library, you can find all templates. If you have templates, you can find quite a lot right here. But what you want to do now, you want to simply focus on going and installing the screen recorder. So go ahead and click install here, and this will take you here onto your Chrome web store. And you just simply need to click add to Chrome and just add the extension here. And here in the top bar, you will be able to see the Vindoz screen recorder. So you can simply click on that and you will be taken here to allow it, as it mentioned before. So allow your microphone, and you also want to allow your camera if you so desire. There is also the teleprompter here that you can use if you so desire. Now here it is. You have the camera, you have the screen plus camera if you want to record that, and you also have the screen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply leave it on screen because we're gonna test it to record my screen. And here you have the microphone. If you have a camera on your computer, you will also have it here. It will be detected. In my case, I don't have any. And you can also play around with the microphone if you so desire, just to make sure that you have the correct one selected. Now once you do, just simply go ahead and click start record. Now once you do, it's gonna pop up here, guys, and ask you what you want to record. You want to record your entire screen, you want to record just a particular window, or you just want to record the tab of this Chrome. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply leave it on the window and I'm gonna simply click share. Now once I do that, it will count down after 5 seconds and then the recording will start. So now you can see on the lower right hand side that it actually starts. You have quite a few things here. You can pause it, you can stop it. You can also use like a pen to mark anywhere you want here. So that's also very useful. You can clear it by simply pressing the clear button there. Then you also have the mouse to highlight. So you can highlight anything here that you want, and as well again you can simply click clear to remove that. So it's also very useful like a presenter. If you're presenting something, you can always use this. And as I said before, you have a teleprompter here that you can use, and there's also, you can hide the bar. You can always play around with these colors here if you so desire as well. So I'm going to just simply switch between tabs here on my browser just so that you can see that it's actually recording. Now what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to just simply stop it right now, and we will go ahead and make sure that it's saved. So here you can see that it's uploading, and it will take me here to where the recording is done. So I'm going to go ahead and play it back so that you can see it start. So now you can see on the lower right hand side that it actually starts. You have quite a few things here. You can pause it, you can stop it, you can also button there, then you also have can use, and there's also on my browser just so that you can see that. Very nice, guys. And here you can always go ahead and rename the file. You can put a description, you can add a tags, and you can literally share it. Here you have some options here. If I click on share, this will allow me to share this through emails. So you can put in the emails, you can add the subject here, and you can share this directly as an email. On the social as well, guys, you have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have LinkedIn, and you also can share on Google Classroom here. So that's pretty handy. And you can also embed, if you so desire, want to embed this within a web page or website, you can easily do that with the code here. So that's very, very useful how this actually works. Now if you scroll on here, guys, you have some additional options here. You have call to action that you can also add. You have custom poll. You also can add a custom form. Under thumbnails, you can also choose thumbnails here, guys. So that's also pretty useful. You can upload thumbnail directly from your PC, and you can also animate thumbnail, and you can use the static one from the video. There's also page style that you can go ahead and you can look through as well. There's also something about tracking that you can use, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and Lucky Orange. That's also pretty useful. And of course, there's the settings here that you can also look into, and there's also advanced settings. So guys, this is really a decent and very easy to use online screen recording tool that has some really nice option. There's also, guys, a see more button here. If you go ahead and click that, you will see that you can upgrade to a premium plan. So here's a free plan. You have up to 50 videos in your library, up to 30 minutes that you can do, and you also have default page here as well. But if you like to upgrade to the premium, it's $9.99 per month, and you have quite a lot more things that you can do. Here you can also see all the features what it comes with, so you can always come down here and compare both plans and see all the different things that you get within the free and the premium plan. Now guys, and if you simply would like to download the video, you don't want to upload it on any social media, you just want to download it so you can continue to edit it or for whatever purpose, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click again on the left hand side where you have your library, and this will simply take you to the library where you have it. And once you do that, all you have to do is just simply click on more here beside the video, and you will see the download option that you can easily click download, and it will download the video for you. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and try out this online screen recording tool from Vindoz. Go ahead, install this Chrome extension and try using this Vindoz screen recorder. And I really hope that you will find this screen recording tool useful. With that said, guys, thank you very much, and see you next time for another tutorial just like this one.